Welcome to this Black Belt membership training session. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you step by step through how to add team members to your account and assign the correct user roles and access levels so your staff can operate effectively while protecting your business's sensitive data. Whether you're bringing in an after-school director, a program manager, or just someone to help take attendance, this video will show you exactly how to get them set up properly, avoid common mistakes, and maintain full control over your school's operations. Let's dive in and get your team running like a well-oiled machine. Step 1. Navigating to users. Start by heading to the Account tab. From there, click on Users. Once you're on the User screen, click on New to add a new team member. Step 2. Entering user details. Go ahead and enter the user's name. In this example, I'll add my brother. You can also enter a title, for example, Sensei or After-School Director. This part is optional, including the email signature field. Now, a key thing to keep in mind. Each user must have a unique email address, something they check daily. The system does not allow duplicate emails. For branding purposes, we recommend avoiding free email addresses like Gmail. Instead, use your business domain, for example, orlando@martialartsofsouthflorida.com. This not only keeps your brand professional and consistent, but if someone forgets your website, they can often figure it out from your email address. Phone number is optional, but you can enter it if you'd like. Next, set their preferences. Is this person an instructor? Should they receive birthday notifications or note alerts? Do they need to receive billing notifications? These settings depend on their role and level of responsibility. For this example, I'll leave billing notifications off. But if it's someone like an office manager or financial admin, you might want to turn those on. Once everything's filled out, the system will auto-generate a password for the user. After that, close the window. Step 3. Assigning security permissions. Now that the user is added, click on their name to assign access permissions. By default, users have no access until you manually assign their security role. Click New to add access. If you have multiple school locations, select which location Blackstars this user should have access to. For this demo, we'll select Martial Arts Membership CRM Demo Software. Now, choose the appropriate security level. User Role Breakdown. Here's a breakdown of the available security roles. 1. Account Owner. Only one account owner is allowed. This role has full access to everything, including software billing and account management. 2. Administrator. Administrators have full control of the software, ideal for program directors or key personnel managing operations. 3. Manager. Managers can see financials and work directly with member accounts, but cannot view software billing info. Add new school locations. Adjust global system settings. 4. Assistant Manager. Assistant managers can access most features, but cannot see financial data such as membership billing, daily monthly revenue, yearly payment totals. They do, however, have access to collections. They need this if they're responsible for following up on missed payments. 5. User. Users have read-only access. They can add notes, make calls, communicate with members. They cannot see financial data or make major changes. 6. Attendance Terminal. This role is attendance only. Users with this access can log in, take attendance, and that's it. No access to member profiles, billing, or communication tools. Step 4. Managing access levels. Once you've selected the appropriate access level, click Update. If the team member works across multiple locations, repeat the process. Select each school. Assign the appropriate role. For employees who only work at one location, only give access to that specific school. Step 5. Deactivating or removing a user. If you need to remove a user or restrict their access, follow these steps. Click on the user's name. Click Edit. Set status to inactive. Then Update. For best practice, also go to their access settings and set their access to no access. That way they remain in your records, but can no longer log in. That's it for this walkthrough on adding team members and assigning access levels in Black Belt membership. Getting the right people into the system with the right permissions is key to running a smooth, secure operation. And now you've got the tools to do just that. If you have questions or need help customizing user roles for your team, don't hesitate to reach out. And if you're still exploring the software, book your one-on-one onboarding call so we can set your school up for success from day one. Thanks for watching. Now go lead your team like a black belt.